Welcome to this tutorial on PowerShell Jobs. In this video, we'll explore how to run commands in the background, allowing you to execute tasks asynchronously without blocking your console. This is a powerful feature that can significantly improve your workflow efficiency when working with PowerShell. So what exactly are PowerShell jobs? Simply put, they are commands that run in the background without blocking your current session. This means you can start a long-running task and continue working in your PowerShell console while that task executes independently. You don't have to wait for one command to finish before starting another. There are several compelling reasons to use PowerShell jobs. First, you can run long tasks without waiting, which is perfect for operations that take minutes or even hours. Second, you can execute multiple commands simultaneously, improving overall efficiency. Third, jobs keep your console responsive, so you're never stuck staring at a loading screen. And finally, you can retrieve results when they're ready, giving you full control over when and how you access the output. Creating a basic job is straightforward. You use the start -job cmdlet with the script block parameter. Inside the script block, you place the commands you want to run in the background. In this example, we're running get-process as a background job. As soon as you execute this command, PowerShell creates the job and returns control to you immediately. It's a good practice to name your jobs, especially when you're running multiple jobs simultaneously. You can do this by adding the name parameter to start -job. In this example, we're naming our job process check. Using descriptive names makes it much easier to identify and manage your jobs later, particularly when you need to check their status or retrieve their results. Once you've started a job, you'll want to check its status. You can use the get-job cmdlet to view all your jobs and see whether they're running, completed, or failed. If you want to check a specific job, you can use the name parameter followed by the job name. This gives you visibility into what's happening with your background tasks at any time. When a job completes, you need to retrieve its output. The receive-job cmdlet does exactly that. You specify the job name using the name parameter, and PowerShell returns the results. By default, receiving a job removes its results from memory. If you want to keep the results and retrieve them multiple times, you can add the keep parameter. This is useful when you need to reference the output more than once. It's important to clean up completed jobs to free up system resources. You can remove a specific job using remove-job with the name parameter. Alternatively, you can remove all completed jobs at once by piping get-job through where -object to filter for completed jobs, and then piping that to remove-job. Regular cleanup keeps your PowerShell environment tidy and prevents accumulation of unnecessary job objects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.